I've always thought of a table as more than just a place to eat. It's where people arrive, where time slows almost without anyone noticing. This piece is part of my Spring Meadow collection, a series built around gathering, seasonality, and the quiet moments we share when we sit down together. These napkin rings begin with that feeling in mind, not as decorations to admire, but as objects meant to be handled, used and lived with. Spring tables feel different after winter. There's a softness to them, a sense of relief in sitting together again, even if nothing special is being celebrated. As I shape the ring, I'm thinking about how these pieces will sit at the table, wrapped in linen, resting beside a plate, quietly framing a moment rather than defining it. The daffodil always feels like a natural choice for spring. It arrives without ceremony, bright but not loud, hopeful in a way that doesn't ask for attention. The butterfly adds something lighter still, a reminder of movement, of things passing through briefly and being all the more meaningful because of it. While assembling the pieces, I keep coming back to the idea of togetherness, hands reaching across a table, shared food, conversations that drift and overlap. Clay feels right for this kind of work. It holds the marks of touch. It remembers the time spent with it. These aren't pieces meant to feel perfect. They're meant to feel welcoming. Painting is where everything softens. I'm not trying to make the colours announce themselves. Spring doesn't arrive all at once. It unfolds gradually, layer by layer. The light blue-grey of the ring is intentional, muted, calm, almost like early spring sky. It holds the colour back just enough, letting the flower and butterfly breathe. I like leaving brushstrokes visible, letting the surface show that this was done slowly, without rushing toward an outcome. As the paint dries, the pieces begin to feel settled, not finished, just at ease, ready to be part of something shared. Seeing them together like this, they feel less like objects and more like an invitation, a suggestion to linger a little longer at the table, to stay present, to enjoy the quiet rhythm of being together. That's what the Spring Meadow collection is about for me, not decoration alone, but the moments that happen around it.